One more thing, Santa can be a little scary for children and overstimulating. We don't think about it, but someone coming into your house while you're asleep can be taking a lot of time and thinking for your child. So take a minute to talk to your child, explain that Santa has some rules, that he would only go to whatever place you determine that is appropriate next to the tree, that he's not going to be roaming around the house, that he's just going to do whatever rules you have, and that he is able to go in your house because he has asked for permission from the adults in the house. Children can get overstimulated as this time comes around because it is confusing that their house is safe, but that these magical creatures can come in. So take a minute to ask your child how he or she is feeling about Santa coming in and answer those questions in a reassuring way. Bye.